What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Cobalion from Pokemon Sword and Shield. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So I'm gonna pick a point on the right side right here and draw a curved line from the tip of its nose, and I'm gonna draw it to the left and upwards, and then from the same tip of the nose I'm gonna draw a curved line down to the left and then turn it down, and then I'm gonna make a turn up with a curved line right there, and then I'm gonna pick a point from around here and draw a curved line towards the point in front with a curved line down and upwards to the tips of the nose, and then below that line at this position here I'm gonna draw the outer point of its eye with a curved line down like that, and a triangular shape at the corner right there. And for the front part of the eye, I'm going to draw a line to the front, and then I'm going to turn it up to the inner corner of the eye. And at the right corner of the eye, I'm going to draw a curved line right there and a circular shape at this corner, and in the middle I'm gonna add a black center right there. On his cheek I'm gonna draw a curved line across like that and mirror that on the bottom side, and then for his mouth I'm gonna draw a curved line right there, and slightly inside from the tip of his nose I'm gonna draw a short line right there. It's almost like a dot actually. So from the outer corner of the eye I'm gonna draw his horn. So I'm gonna draw a diagonal line to the back and up. Now I'm gonna curve it and go back slightly up, and then from this point I'm gonna draw a curved line to the back, down and up and back down. Then I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line to the tip of the horn, and then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back, up and down and then back up, and then I'm gonna make a curved line from this point down and up and down and up, and then all the way to the outer corner of the eye. Across the horn I'm gonna add some curved line along right there, and a short one right there, and one full curved line, a full curved line at the corner, and a short one at the sides there, and right there as well. Now for the right horn I'm gonna draw a curvy line diagonally to the same direction, go up and to the side, and from this point here I'm gonna draw a curved line down and all the way to the back, and then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back to the front of his face, and from this point I'm gonna draw a curved line again, down, back to the side and down all the way to the front of his face. And the same goes, we're gonna draw a curved line across. Now behind the horn I'm gonna continue the line of the head, a curved line to the back, and then from the point of the neck piece, I'm gonna draw a curved line towards the face and then turn it down and extend it all the way to that point right there. And then I'm gonna make a semicircle line to the left and a sharp turn back to the right, and below that I'm gonna draw another curved line and sharp turn back, and another one below that. And for this one I'm gonna extend it all the way back up below the chin, and another strand of hair at this corner right there, and extend it all the way to the side of the neck piece there. So on this side we're gonna see slightly the neck piece on the right side. Now going back to the tip of the neck piece on top, I'm gonna draw a curved line down to the side and then turn it to the back and the bottom side. And then beside this point right here, I'm gonna draw a curved line up all the way to the tip of that sharp shape and turn back down to the side, and then I'm gonna make a turn back up and stop there. And then I'm gonna draw another one similar shape and then go back down and go back up, and a smaller one at this corner and down. And then I'm gonna draw a semicircle line across to the front point right there. Now behind the spiky shape, at this point I'm gonna draw a curved line to the back. Then I'm gonna turn it downwards to the hind legs, and then I'm gonna make a diagonal turn to the left and then straight down to the heels and turn it slightly to the front. Now going back to front, I'm gonna draw a curved line right here and a curved line right there. And for the front foot, I'm gonna draw a curved line right there, and starting from here I'm gonna draw a curved line down and slightly turn it diagonally to the front, and then I'm gonna end it with a semicircle corner right there. Now for the back part of that foot, I'm gonna take this point right here and draw a curved line down and flare it out to the left as you reach the bottom point and make a semicircle turn back there. And then I'm gonna draw across a curved line and going higher in the middle and back down on the right side. And then I'm gonna extend that line to the front, and I'm gonna make a semicircle turn to the back right there. For the other foot in front, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the front, and then I'm gonna make a turn down, and I'm gonna make a semicircle corner right there. And for the back line of that foot, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the front and turn it down, and then I'm gonna make a diagonal turn and a semicircle corner right there. And then from that point, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the right, and then I'm gonna turn it slightly downwards and a semicircle point in front of the legs and a curved line to this point right there. Now below the knee, I'm gonna draw a curved diagonal line to the center right there, and the same goes to the other side, and we're gonna copy that slightly below right there. And we're gonna copy the same shape for this leg as well. And at the knee, I'm gonna add a short curve line right there. And behind the front leg and the hind leg, I'm gonna draw a curve line across right there. And then from this point, I'm gonna draw a curve line downwards towards the hind knee. And then I'm gonna draw a curve line down from the knee to the base and a semicircular turn right there. And then from the hind point here, I'm gonna draw a curve line up into the center, and then I'm gonna turn it back down to the right. And at the point, I'm gonna draw a semicircular turn back to the heels with a curve line. So I'm gonna copy the same shape below the knee as well for this leg right there. And at the side of this leg, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape right there, and another one above it, which is smaller. And the other leg behind, I'm gonna draw a curved line down and turn it to that point right there. And we can sort of see the line below the knee, so I'm gonna add a diagonal line right there. Now for his tail, I'm gonna draw the spiky shape to the back and down, and another spiky shape right there, and it goes to the lower portion right there, and it's smaller as you go lower. Now at his neck piece, I'm gonna add two rectangular shape as well. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.